Navigating your 20s is such a weird and wonderful time. We have so many dreams and aspirations, and we want to be different versions of ourselves, but it can also be really confusing. Lately, I found myself getting sucked into social media, catching myself liking things just because other people like them. It's easy to get lost in the noise and lose sight of what truly interests us. Sometimes I wonder, what are my actual personal interests? I've been wanting to try new things and pour energy into hobbies, but it's so easy to fall into the comfort of doing the same things day in and day out. The routine feels safe and familiar, but it also feels like I'm stuck in the loop. I decided it's time to get out of my comfort zone and explore new interests. I want to be multifaceted and have many hobbies that fill my cup and just make me feel alive. So here's to embracing the weirdness of our 20s and discovering our true interests and becoming the best versions of ourselves.
Hello, I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, moon.
I got the full Brazilian. I got the green bowl with coconut chips. Yummy.
I look for the things I don't know.
It is Jade's first time at Pilates. I'm so excited for her. We just finished Pilates, and this is Jader's first time. Honest review.
Instructor was incredible. Instructor was great.
April's the best.
It was awesome. I definitely would want to continue doing that. Kicked my rear end. I'm shaking still, but I would definitely do it again. That was awesome.
Hard level, like rate the hardness. Is it? It's not comparable to anything.
It's not comparable because just from growing up as an athlete, it was always weightlifting for me, and then I've transitioned to hot yoga, and that doesn't compare to either. You can feel every muscle that you're engaging
so much core
per workout, which
so
was
much core.
Really cool because I feel like I know what results I'm working on as we're mid-workout, which was sick.
Yeah,
I liked it a lot.
10 out of 10
definitely liked it a lot.
Can't compare it to athletic stuff.
No.
And how was the core for you? Were you humbled?
Yes.
It's so humbling.
Yeah, I was extremely humbled. I was like, okay.
10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. And I would definitely, if I lived in this area, I would go, literally just for her.
Yeah.
She was awesome.
She's the only instructor I go for. Yeah. I've gone through all of them, and I just, the vibes just do not.
Yeah, she was so encouraging, so welcoming. Yeah, great. Great all around. Love her.
We follow each other on Instagram. Crescent City, you could have been good. You had a lot of potential. All hail. All hail. You guys, I'm moving on from my Sarah J. Maas Universe era because I need something to fill the void. So we're starting Fourth Wing. Here she is. I'm so excited. I just need to experience something for the first time again instead of doing so many rereads. And Jade brought me her extra copy of Iron Flame, so I only have to buy Fourth Wing. So that's the haul. I just a whole new world.
Everything about her.
I've heard that's decent.
I have read that.
Oh, did you like it?
It is very good. It's add in vampires and Hunger Games kind of vibes.
It's a romance.
Better romance building.
Okay. That's important.
Really good slow burn in that one.
Ooh.
And enemies to lovers type thing.
Okay, I'm adding that to my
So
TBR.
I recommend it. That one's actually super, super good.
Okay, you heard it here first. Add this to your TBR if you're interested in enemies to lovers trope and you love a good slow burn, and you love, it's, what do you say, Hunger Games times
Hunger Games with
vampires?
vampire. Yep.
You heard it here.
That's
Hola besties, ahora practicando español porque quiero hablar con fluidez. ¿Es fluent? Mi novio y su familia es mexicanos y hablar en español, obviously. Y quiero hablar en español con ellos. Mi novio y yo vamos a Costa Rica y Colombia en julio para su cumpleaños y quiero hablar en español todos. Puedo ordenar en español bien al restaurante, pero no soy tan bueno para hablar casualmente porque me pongo tímida, muy tímida. Estudié español en la escuela secundaria, pero lo descuidé después de graduated, you get the point. Entonces estoy tratando de hablar en español todos los días con Duolingo y mi novio. If you're also trying to learn Spanish, let me know if you have any tips and tricks. I'm not great at it. I feel like I can say basic sentences, I can order well. But if you have any like apps you recommend, or like some YouTube videos, or like just things that I can use to study Spanish on a daily basis, let me know if you have any suggestions. I would love to hear them out. But yeah, clearly my Spanish needs some work to do. I just feel like I get really scared when I talk to other people. But like to you guys, I don't, because you guys are just like through the screen. But I really want to be able to speak well when I'm in Costa Rica y Colombia. Because I personally feel like it's disrespectful if you don't know how to say basic things when visiting a country. That's just my opinion. I personally would just never go to a country not knowing how to like order or know basic greetings, or just ask like simple questions like where the bathroom is, how do I pay, or just simple like touristy like questions that people would ask here in the States. So estoy tratando, man. It's hard, especially because like I want to speak every day. My goal is to do 20 minutes of Duolingo a day up until our trip, and I really want to speak with my boyfriend every day. So yeah, here's to developing, useful things in our life. I feel like being bilingual is such like a hot trait. Like that's just so attractive to know multiple languages, and I just want to be a hot girl. Okay? I just think it's such a flex when you can visit another country and like talk really well in that language. And I don't want to be like a gringa, I want to be able to talk and like talk comfortably, and I really like it when I talk with other people who speak Spanish and they're just very encouraging. I've never gotten into a situation where like I was discouraged from speaking, especially like if I go up to like a taco truck or like if I'm in a restaurant. I feel like they really try to like help me when I order. I just need to remind myself embarrassment is not real. Like if people make fun of you for trying, that's on them. That's just such weirdo behavior. Yeah, that is another, I guess, hobby that I'm implementing into my life every day, is learning Spanish and being able to comfortably talk in Espanol. So please, if you have any tips and tricks on how to learn Spanish or how to pronunciate certain things, please help a girl out. I'm trying. I'm really trying. Side note, if you are not using a sunscreen for your lips, I don't know what you're doing. We need to protect ourselves from the sun. The sun is not our friend. Like, yeah, it makes us look tan and hot and just like a baddie, but we also need to be smart with it. So kind of goes on a little white, but just rub it in, you'll survive. I love this one by Malin and Goetz. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the packaging is so freaking cute. I love the orange, and it has SPF 30. I feel like you can really see the white though.